Next problem. In this case, ranks are given, right? So in the previous problem, we have seen the problems without ranks, right? Now the problem with ranks. 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by 3 judges in the following order. So first judge, second, third. So their ranks. First judge is given rank 1, 6, 5, 10, etc. etc. Similarly, second judge has given rank 3, 5, etc. etc. And similarly, third judge 6, 4. Given data are ranks, right? Use the rank correlation coefficient to determine which pair of judges has the nearest approach to common taste in the beauty. So we have to determine pair of judges, that is 2 judges who has nearest approach in common tastes in beauty. So who has given almost same rank, right? So here n is equal to 10. So write it in the first judge in the first column, that is take it R1, rank 1. Judge second is in the second column, that is R2, and judge third is in the third column, that is R3. First you have to find the difference between judge 1 and judge 2, that is difference between 1 and 2, that is D12. 1-2 means difference between first judge and second judge, R1 minus R2. So first column minus second column, you will get minus 2, 1, minus 3, etc. etc. So summation of this summation D12 is equal to 0. Next you have to difference between second and third judge, R2 minus R3. So second column minus third column, minus 3, 1, minus 1, etc. etc. So summation D23 is equal to 0. Then next column D13. So difference between judge 1 and judge 3 ranks. So R1 minus R3, minus 5, 2, minus 4, etc. etc. Summation D13 equal to 0. Next square the fourth column. Next fourth column square, that is D12 square. Square of minus 2, 4. Square of 1, 1. Minus 3 square, 9, etc. etc. So you will get 4, 1, 9 in D12 square column. Adding all those things, you will get summation D1 square, which is equal to 200. Next you are squaring the, that is fifth column, right? D23 square. So minus 3 square 9, 1 square 1, minus 1 square 1, minus 4 square 16, etc. etc. Sum up all those things, you will get summation to D23 square, that is equal to 214. Next you are squaring the sixth column, that is D13 column. So D13 square, minus 5 square 25, 2 square 4, minus 4 square 16, 2 square 4, etc. etc. Summing all those things, you will get all those numbers in the last column, right? So we are adding the all numbers in the last column, you will get sigma D13 square, that is equal to 60. So we know the Spearman's rank correlation formula, rho is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n into n square minus 1. So first comparing 1 and 2, judge 1 and 2. So rho 1, 2, that is why, that is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation D12 square n into n square minus 1. Substitute the values from the table, you will get 1 minus 6 into 200 by 10 into 10 square minus 1. After simplification, you will get minus 0.2121. Next we are going to find rho 2, 3. So comparing judge 2 and 3. So 1 minus 6 into sigma D23 square by n into n square minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 6 into 214 by 10 into 10 square minus 1. So the details are from the table. So after simplification, you will get minus 0.2970. Then last comparison, first judge and third judge, rho 1, 3, that is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d13 square by n into n square minus 1. Substituting the values from the table, you will get 1 minus 6 into 60 by 10 into 10 square minus 1. After simplification, you will get 0.6363. Since row 13 is the maximum, the pair of first and third judges has the nearest approach to common taste in the beauty. So you have to choose the maximum value of row. So here the maximum value of row is 0.6363, which is for the judges 1 and 3, right? Thanks.